Have you ever wondered why some people earn a lot of money but still struggle financially? The answer is not always about income. Many people stay poor because of hidden money habits they repeat every day without realizing it. In this video, we will uncover 7 habits that silently destroy wealth and show you how to replace them with smarter financial decisions. Building wealth is not only about making more money. It is about knowing how to manage the money you already have. The truth is, small financial choices repeated over time can create either freedom or stress. The first habit that keeps many people from becoming wealthy. The first habit that keeps people poor is living without a budget. Many people receive their income, spend randomly throughout the month, and wonder where their money disappeared. Without a plan, your money controls you instead of you controlling your money. A budget is not about limiting your life. It is a tool that gives every dollar a purpose. The second habit that keeps people poor is spending money to impress others. Many people buy expensive clothes, cars, and luxury items not because they need them, but because they want approval from others. The problem is looking wealthy and being wealthy are completely different. Real wealth is often invisible. Rich people focus on owning assets, not just showing expensive possessions. Before buying something, ask yourself, is this helping me build wealth, or am I only trying to impress someone? Changing this habit does not mean you should never enjoy life. It means learning the difference between buying things that improve your future and buying things only for temporary attention. The next habit is one of the biggest reasons many people never build serious wealth. The third habit that keeps people poor is ignoring investing. Many people work hard, save some money, and keep everything sitting in a bank account without allowing their money to grow. The problem is, inflation slowly reduces the value of your cash over time. Wealthy people understand that money should not only be saved, it should be put to work. Investing allows your money to grow while you focus on building your future. The fourth habit that keeps people poor is lifestyle inflation. This happens when people increase their spending every time their income increases. They get a better job, earn more money, and immediately upgrade their lifestyle. Instead of investing the extra income, they buy a bigger house, a more expensive car, and more unnecessary things. The result is earning more money but still feeling financially stressed. Wealth grows when your income rises faster than your expenses. The fifth habit that keeps people poor is having no emergency fund. Life is unpredictable. Unexpected medical bills, job loss, or urgent expenses can happen at any time. Without savings, many people are forced to use credit cards or take loans, creating more financial pressure. An emergency fund gives you protection and peace of mind. Start small, save consistently, and build a safety net that protects your future. The sixth habit that keeps people poor is depending on only one source of income. Having a job is valuable, but relying on a single paycheck can create risk. If that income disappears, your financial situation can change quickly. Wealthy people look for ways to create multiple income streams through investing, businesses, skills, or side projects. Building extra sources of income gives you more options and more financial freedom. The seventh habit that keeps people poor is waiting for the perfect time to start building wealth. Many people delay saving, investing, or learning about money because they believe they need more income or better conditions first. The truth is, there is no perfect time. Wealth is created by taking action, learning, and improving your financial decisions step by step. Your financial future is shaped by the habits you practice every day. You do not need to change everything overnight. Start with one small improvement. Stay consistent and let time work in your favor. Remember, wealth is not built by one big decision. It is built by thousands of smart choices repeated over time. Subscribe to Lavora Horizon for more personal finance lessons, money habits, and wealth building strategies.